right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Oh my god, you all know how we roll on this channel guys. Thank you so much. You guys are so amazing and I love you guys from my heart. And if you're new to my channel and you subscribe right now, I said may God continue to bless you. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them.
Hello my beautiful people, hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video, oh my god, I'm going to be doing a full wash hair guys. So first of all, I have to use this oil before washing my hair. Oh yes. Yeah. Yes, as you can see, I have to make sure everything go in, you know. I have to make sure everything go in. So I have to take this braid off before washing my hair while the oil is still on my hair guys. Yeah. So that is it guys. Please guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Yes, subscribe, hit the notification bell, yeah, so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, and if you are old to my channel and you haven't subscribed, oh my god, please do your baby girl need it so much. Do okay. Anyway, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always supporting me. You guys are so amazing. So I'm done with my hair now. All I need to do is to wet it, you know. I have to wet the hair. Yes, you can see I'm wetting it now. Yeah. So I'll be going in with my shampoo, you know, to wash it very well. This is how I wash my hair before braiding or before anything guys. This is what I do. So now we just add this to it, you know, just to make sure everything is okay, you know. I don't know what to say. I don't really know how to explain this part guys. So I will just go ahead and wash them off. So this is it after washing guys. Yeah. This is it. So we just add my oil, you know, into the scalp. Yeah, that is it guys. Okay guys, let's continue our gist. You need to join my membership. And also get some clothes, beautiful clothes from my store. Please just look down, you will see it. It's written forever Sexyosas. Yes, help my ministry. Help me guys. Okay, help me to pay my bill. Yes, that is it guys. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. Join my membership. I have different kinds of stuff here. I have different kinds of stuff there. You know, you can join the group of €3, €5, €10, €20, €100. Oh God, you know. So that is it, guys. Okay, let me leave you guys to continue watching. Okay. Alright.
Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys. Okay. Continue watching, guys.
I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.